Step 1. Eligibility requirements. In Nevada, armed security guards are registered by the Nevada Private Investigators Licensing Board, also known as PILB. Before you can work armed, you must first qualify for a Nevada security work card and then upgrade that card to armed status. To qualify for a Nevada work card, you must be at least 18, be legally allowed to work in the U.S., be of good moral character and temperate habits, pass a criminal background check, have no felony convictions, have no crimes involving moral turpitude or illegal use of a dangerous weapon, provide valid government-issued identification. Nevada armed license is employer-sponsored to obtain but portable after you have it. Step 2. In Nevada, armed status is not a separate license you get first. You must get your standard Nevada security work card before you can even start the armed process. You can check out my How to Get a Security Guard License in Nevada video for those details. You can't just sign up for an armed class on your own in Nevada. You must already be employed and approved to move into armed training. Step 3. Apply for your Nevada work card. This is the base license that allows you to work security in the state. You'll need completed application, passport-style photo, 2 forms of ID, fingerprint submission, security guard exam with the passing score of 100%. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Once your work card is approved and you're hired by a licensed security company, your employer must place you on their roster and complete a VEAS form. VEAS stands for Verification of Employment of Armed Security. This form is required before you're allowed to attend a PILB certified firearms course. Step 5. Complete the Nevada PILB firearms course through a board-certified firearms instructor. Nevada requires 8 hours of classroom instruction, written exam, minimum passing score 75%, minimum 5 hours of range training, firearm qualification with the same type and caliber you'll carry on duty. The firearms course is the training required to upgrade your work card to armed status. If you find the content helpful, consider becoming a YouTube member for badges, emojis, early access videos, and member shoutouts like to my current members, Redrick, Colonia, and Windblend. Step 6. After you pass the firearms course, the instructor submits your armed certification paperwork to the Nevada Private Investigations Licensing Board. You're not allowed to work armed until the permanent armed card is issued. Passing the class alone doesn't allow you to carry on duty yet. Step 7. Once the board processes your paperwork, they issue a new work card showing armed status. At that point, you're legally allowed to work armed in Nevada. If your job requires concealed carry, you must also obtain a Nevada concealed carry weapons permit. Step 8. This is what the Nevada timeline actually looks like. You apply for the work card first and may get provisional approval in a few days to a couple weeks. Then you need to get hired and get the VEAS form, but you can't take the firearms class until the permanent card arrives, which can take 30 to 90 days. After the firearms class, the board processes your armed card. Realistically, most people are looking at about 5 to 8 weeks on the fast end and 2 to 3 months on the slow end. Step 9. Cost breakdown and wages. Starting from scratch, your work card application, $85 to $129, fingerprinting photo, $40 to $60, armed card fee, $20, firearms course varies by instructor, but I estimate $100 to $200. Total estimated minimum is roughly $245 plus. If you already have your work card, the armed fee is $20, firearms course is $100 to $200. These totals may vary and do not include firearm, holster, ammo belt, or other required gear. And for perspective, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median security guard wage in Nevada is about $18.44 per hour. Indeed data shows armed guards in Nevada averaging about $20 to $21 an hour. Step 10. Your Nevada work card is valid for 5 years. Your armed qualification is also valid for 5 years, but you must requalify on the range every 6 months. Nevada assigns you specific qualification months. There is no grace period. If you miss your requalification month, you cannot work armed until you requalify. Step 11. Once you're armed, start applying for higher paying positions. For security career resources, visit guardguides.com and my Etsy store. Join r/guardguides to compare pay and experiences across states. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.